guys, welcome to Playtime Kids. Today we're gonna open Treasure X Fire versus Ice. This is very awesome. It's like those other ones that in the last video, and these are different because these are like little monsters, and it's fire versus ice. So let's open it. So we're gonna open this one. So this is very awesome, and this is science right now. So what you need to do, you need to take off the top and then put it in the sink, and you have to pour water in it, and supposedly it's supposed to erupt, and after that, key's supposed to come out. Then you turn it around and take this bomb off. So that's what we're gonna do. So these are really cool and all that because, but this, I smelled them and it made me gag because the chemicals are in there, and and it's not that good for you. So when you can play with these and all of that, but wear gloves if you're gonna play with these. Also, when we opened it, the fume was so strong that it made me gag. So yeah. So Okay, so these toys are very awesome and very cool, but I'm really concerned these are safe or not because the smell is not that good, so I'm concerned they're not safe or not. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.